Today, I'm going to be talking about getting leads, and specifically, we're going to delve into intent signals. So what intent signals are live signals that we can get from the internet, such as LinkedIn, about people that are posting, jobs that are being posted, or other kinds of live data, which is going to be refreshed on a daily or custom basis that you want to set. When you open Flocker, you're going to get into this page here, your workflows. So what I'm going to do is go up to get leads here. I'm going to click on intent signals, and then we're going to see the intent signals that we're working with. So we've got a couple here. We've got tracking job postings from companies. We've got LinkedIn posts by keywords. We've got companies that were recently funded on Crunchbase, and we've got growth in headcount. And finally, we also here have recent job starters. So all of these are going to be able to give us live data as it comes in. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you set up a signal, and then I'm also going to give you an example of the output. So if I click on this, track job postings from companies, then I'll see that there's a couple of filters. Some of them are required and some of them are optional. With the required filters, you must configure those. You're gonna have your region, for example. I could put United States here. You're gonna have your job title. This will be the title that you're looking for. In this case, we're gonna have the keyword that's gonna be in the description of the job, company size, so which size company do you want, and finally, when you would wanna stop monitoring the signal. How long do you want the signal to run for? Each of these intent signals is going to have a similar setup. Here's what it looks like when we do have an output. I set up a keyword yesterday for ISC West. It's a securities conference in New York. And basically what I'm doing here is seeing who's posting about ISC West so that I can pull them into an enrichment flow. I'm going to click on this data and show you what the output looks like. First, we're going to see how many leads we've generated on a daily basis. This one's only been set up for 1 day, but you'll get a nice bar graph that's going to show you day by day how many signals we're fetching. Secondly, you're going to see this breakdown here, the keywords, and I can see the text. I can see who posted it. I can get links, the date that it was posted, and I'm going to get the person's name, title, location, all great data points for enrichments. Finally, when I'm ready to enrich that data, I'm going to end up here and press sync with Flock, which allows me to connect it to any of my workflows. So there's a quick overview of how intent signals work. We'll see you next time on list building.